Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download a document in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, you have to open up the Google Docs app. And here it opens up in Drive files. From here, we just select the document that we want to work with. Tap on the three dots and then tap on download here, and then this item is going to be downloaded, as you can see here. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.